This is Samsung Galaxy S23, not the Plus, not the Ultra, just the regular S23, one of the most underrated phone in 2023. So, I've been using this phone for the past 6 months and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I love this phone and why I think this phone S23 is the better option than S23 Plus or Ultra. I won't go over all of the specs of this phone cause you can already find a lot of videos about the specs. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. First, the design. One of the reasons I chose this phone is because the design. I love the basic looking of this phone. It makes this phone looks minimalist, as you can see. It's small and lightweight. This phone can easily fit in any of my pocket and bag. It doesn't take up much space compared to S23 Ultra size. And it just feels comfortable when I hold this phone. The edge is a little bit round so it doesn't hurt when you hold it for a long time. And the fingerprint is also responsive as well. It is said to be better than S22. Next, the performance is incredible. Everything is super responsive, you don't have to question it, because this phone got the same chip as S23 Ultra, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. The only difference is S23 Ultra got 12GB of RAM, which makes it run faster than the regular S23. And the display is absolutely gorgeous. Actually, it is the same as the last year model, but with a slight bump up in the max brightness from 1300 nits to 7050 nits, which makes it very viewable and usable in a bright sunny condition. Then the speakers sound fantastic as well, and despite all that, the battery life has been absolutely amazing. For my daily use, this phone can last up to 20 hours a day without charging, which is more than enough for me. And one last thing, the regular S23 is 400 cheaper than S23 Ultra, which is a big deal for me. That is why I chose this one. I think this is the best small phone in 2023. You can also comment down below what you think about this phone in the comment. And okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.